Hi guys, if you update your system, you'll see that a few packages have been updated. The ArcoLinux Tweak tool, the development I've installed here, the bin, that's what we're going to talk about. And we have also Nimdo installed on this particular XL ISO, and we have an ArcoLinux system config kit. So the Tweak tool and the desktop treasure has been covered. That's about Nimdo. What is new is the bin and the system config. So let's go ahead and install that. I do a skel, quick and easy way, also dirty way, to just copy everything over from etc skel to your home directory. So watch out, right? See some videos, know what you're doing, and then all is fine. So we open up Ctrl H because of the skel, and I do that quite a few times. That's all skel. Delete. We have a new bin here. We have, thanks to Nimdo, we have now a ArcoLinux change theme. I found it not interesting to be to set everything manually, right? So scripting is the way to go. And here we just say, I would like to have an ArcDark theme. I would like to have this as icon. I would like to have the fonts and the cursor. And then off it goes. And these are functions. It's going to change the dconf user file. And here it's going to apply GTK3 file. And all this is just run. So that's my approach in changing things. I thought in Nimdo, right? But I thought, hey, this is handy for anything else. Once, if I have a problem or anything like it, we can do this. Now, let's see if we have not forgotten to make it executable. No, it's good. ArcoLinux change theme. So the only thing I need to do is type a little bit more and then basically enter. That's it. And the last bit is the bit that goes to user share icons, and that's of course forbidden for a user, so we need to become root, so sudo, and that's it. Everything is set the way it is here described. So it's up to you to change some things in here, but remember, if we do skel, everything gets overwritten. Why not do a Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and instead of calling it ArcoLinux, you give it your own name, a fancy name. I'm just gonna go for Eric change theme. And Eric change themes will never be overwritten. It's exactly the same thing, but I can go for Arc, and I can go for the Sardi Arc. You have to know how these names are, so you have to look it up. And I think there's a modern as well. And oh no, modern is there already. So I have to go and have a look. So in computer, in file system, in user, share, in icons, we have all kinds of names. And here we have modern ice, for example. And when we save this and run this, it's gonna be everywhere. So this, where is this one? Nope, that one. Yeah, that one. So that's the bin folder. Not that I need it actually. Let's clean everything up otherwise. All right, okay. Control T. And now I start with my name. How can you forget your own name? So Eric something. And as you see, we don't need to do this. Normally that's for launching something that's locally. This is actually not locally. It's in the .bin and it's in the path. So we can do this. Eric change theme. Boom. And everything is changed. All the settings have been applied, and that's great. Let's take one, for example, appearance. ArcDark is set here. That's one left out there. And Sublime Text. We have Arc, not ArcDark. So it should have been this one rather than ArcDark. So let's do that again. Yeah, it's XFCE. Yeah, it's XFCE. Has to log out, log in. But let's take another example. GTK3, this guy. It's always interesting to see things change on the fly. So we have Arc and Sardi Arc and Bibata Modern Ice, and yeah, everything changed. So it's up to you to change anything else. Let's do another example. So let's go for Arc Dark again, which is my favorite anyway, and then Surf and Arc, for example, and Modern Ice is good, right? Save. And let's type just gibberish, right? Let's just type something gibberish so you know that it's gonna be changed. Bibata Modern Eric, Arc Dark, Surf and Arc, fine. So whatever you put in there, of course, see that it works, that it exists, and then you'll be fine. This, for instance, is good for me. I'll run it once more, and done. All set. So that's one way of doing things. It's there. It's in the .bin. If you need it for some reason, on some desktop, we have now over 30 desktops, and it might be interesting to have something like this, and even make it bigger. If there are things that are missing, just tell me or give me the code and we'll add it to the list. But this is really covering already lots of things and lots of systems and desktops. But if there's more, why not? Cheers.